boy. Totally different backs. So this
Olivia's closer to me?
Nope, Olivia's right in front of me. This is a male with the red back. Oop, she turned around on me to the front ends. The southern male kestrel has an all red belly, and the northern kestrel tends to have spots on the belly.
They're so cute.
They're cute, yeah. But
So they're both human imprinted?
actually, yes, they are. They're both human imprints.
I
We
didn't
got
guess
them
that.
after. Yeah.
Hi.
This is Olivia, and this is Newton. We had a John. Yeah.
Oh, what's the old one?
Newton.
Oh, pretty.
Is that a sharpshoot?
Nope, this is a Merlin
Yeah.
who's being very high strung. So we'll leave it that way.
Yeah.
I'm coming out.
Yeah,
You're
it's awesome.
coming out to see people. This is a not much, didn't much help, but this is a slightly red-faced screech owl that we got in 3 years ago that has a feather defect. She looks fluffy because she is fluffy. The feathers should interlock, but they don't. She's very full of herself.
Why
Yeah.
is she scared?
Because we're so big. This is a eastern screech owl that has a feather defect. We'll bring them out after, because that way everybody I can do it again. Sure. This is Buzz being real attituded, so we'll do Tony instead. Tony's a little male and Buzz is a female. Tony's going to do some singing for us.
Oh, he's missing an eye.
Yes, Tony's missing an eye and is losing the eye.
Trying to think you're too
The
close.
vision in the other eye. Well, Tony can't see. Not very well. Tony came to us as a baby about oh golly, I lost track. Tony's probably 9 or 10 years old. She couldn't close the nictitating membranes. She couldn't blink. The owls have two eyelids. They have a regular eyelid that comes up, and then they have a kind of almost transparent one
That goes on the side.
that goes to the side, called the nictitating membrane. And hers didn't work. And so for the first year of her life, we had to keep her eyes moist at all times. So she was lubricated to no end. She looked like a grease monkey, actually. To keep her eyes alive, because if the eyes dry out because you can't blink, they die. And so after a year, only the right eye would work. The nictitating membrane worked on that eye, and we actually had to close up the left eye because it didn't work.
Is that John?
Yeah.
Okay. This attitude. She's got a big attitude today. I don't know what that's about, but you can see a beautiful specimen. Buzz came from the same facility that Ufta came from. Yeah. Needed to find a home for both of these birds. Buzz came to them from Sarasota 12 years ago as a baby with shoulder injuries. And she's been an education bird for them all these years, so now she's one for us.
She has a.
Oops, I think you got the back of her head, didn't you?
How come they haven't done any of their whinnies?
Huh?
How come they haven't done like the whinny that they have? Like,
She does a whinny when she's calm and away at night. Just a kind of a ooh, ooh kind of a thing.
I can do it if it's probably too loud.
Did you hold Nick?
Yeah, do you want to meet?
Yeah, I don't know.
That's your favorite one. You can meet him right now. He's coming over to you, but you don't touch him now.
Yeah, we don't.
We don't touch. We just look.
He's a very, very nice, very much a gentleman. He's a human imprint, but he's just, as birds go, he's just a very calm, easygoing. He's a very strong man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's a
he's a
tiny
gentleman,
thing.
is what he is.